Fire Mountain. We're getting it. Jason's driver. We got Ryan just sitting shoddy.
Crew been reunited. 5 days backpacking, archery, deer hunting. I got a bear tag. We all got deer tags.
Public land, always. We got some deer tags. Hopefully we can all fill them.
None of us have shot a buck before, so you guys might see our first ever buck kills if we can get them.
That would be awesome.
It's also our first backpacking trip out, so.
This is a trip for first.
How we looking?
Okay, wait. I'll tell you right now. Wait. Stop for a sec.
Yeah, just stop for a sec. Jeez, guy.
We want to go.
Yeah, you gotta keep going.
Tell me.
We double checking you.
Yes, man.
We want to double check.
Well, probably do my bow, huh?
Bow might.
Oh, that's intense, bro. Oh, I don't know if I can do this.
Yeah, we haven't even gotten any meat on these packs yet.
I think we're making double trips is the problem. I didn't do the mountain ops challenge, so I'm not there yet.
Oh, I almost just fell backwards.
What's up, guys?
What's happening?
We're trekking it. Break time for me. We're doing our best. We're about 1.5 miles in. It's been pretty treacherous with these packs. We've all been debating about how much we overpacked. It's not good.
Rookie mistakes, I guess.
It's honestly, the road isn't too bad. It's just we get some kind of steep terrain, and then these packs start feeling about twice as heavy, and you know,
Consistent uphill battle. Thank God for trekking poles, or I would have probably thrown in the towel.
we've been hiking along this really nice creek though. It's been a temptress. I want to just
It looks tasty.
jump in and just
I want to drink it all.
bathe myself. I know. I haven't even drinking any water yet. I feel like I might die.
It is beautiful out here, for sure.
It is absolutely gorgeous, as you could tell by this backdrop.
Yeah. I'm glad we made it in before dark. We got a late start, so we thought we were going to be walking in the dark, but we're going to make it to camp before dark.
I think we're gonna make it just in time.
All right.
Let's do it.
Carry on.
Finally made it to camp. Yeah, it ended up taking a little longer, and we set up in the dark a little bit because we went through some nasty thick stuff. We thought cutting the trail would be a good idea. All your flashlights are blinding the camera people.
Oh, let me go ahead and turn that off for you. Set up camp, do a little fire, a little snack before bedtime. We made it through the Manzanita.
It's treacherous, man.
Treacherous as it was. I'd say we probably hiked through more than half a mile of like thick Manzanita. Some from like waist high, some was overhead high. It was crazy ridiculous.
Google Earth does not tell you how high the bushes are.
Yeah.
What looks like it could be a nice, lush, green hillside is a nice, thick, green, and sticky Manzanita bush. Time to fuel up, eat some dinner. We kind of came up with the game plan for the morning, so head out before first light in the morning. It was just nice village right in front of us. Probably only have to hike up a few hundred feet above camp and then blast from there. Then we'll be rising over the ridge behind our backs and light up that ridge in front of us and see if we can spot some deer. 5-day archery hunt in B-zone.
The Fire Mountain crew.
We got the majority of Fire Mountain here, and then we got Spencer and Alex are supposed to meet us here Saturday morning. We're leaving tomorrow night after Alex gets off work. Brian's sitting right over there somewhere. He keeps signaling me that he sees 3, I'm assuming does, because I kind of gave him a little signal for antlers and he said no. But I'm not picking them up yet. But he's got his eyes on something, so I'm gonna see if I can find him, and if I find him, I'll put the scope on. Just using the binos right now and my cell phone to show you guys what we're looking at, but oh, there's that third one. Yep, 1, 2, 3 does. Just right across from us. Just amazing looking deer. Pretty cool. That was a good spot by Brian. I've been looking over this spot for a while, and man. So I guess I should have focused a little more on the sunny stuff. They're definitely working their way to the shade though. So if there were any bucks around, they probably went first. They probably didn't hang out in that sun too long. But it's pretty cool. First morning, first deer, 3 deer. Oh, they're all regrouped. Still glassing. Starting to get time till everything's probably bedded by now. So we're really trying to just pick apart these sheer like little clipped out spots that are in the shadows that we think a buck might be bedded up against. So
Time for some lunch. Just got some water. What do you got to say, Callan?
Best thing I've had all day right here.
There we go.
We got 28 grams of protein, giving me enough fuel for the hike back. Got some nuts. We're doing good. We made it down to the creek. There's some like 5-6 inch trout in here. Pretty sweet.
We're trying to find a buck tonight.
Yeah. Hopefully sunset's our lucky time. We saw those does this morning, which was nice, but we need some points, baby.
Bath time.
Woo! That'll wake them up. That felt good, baby. That's what I did.
Well, here we are. Just set up for the evening little glassing session. Just gonna sit out here and glass this ridge across from us until it gets dark, and hopefully we can spot something. Brian and Taylor are still down over by our camp. They're getting some things ready and they're gonna come meet me up here, and then yeah, we'll have 3 eyes on the mountain over here. This stuff down here is looking real good, especially if
tree line, huh?
If we can, find something coming out of there. It's way more closer to actually get in and put a stalk on. So I'm working with about maybe 10-15 minutes of this like good enough light to be able to keep glassing. When I look through like the camera, it looks really bright. It looks brighter than it does out right now, so I'm like, geez, I wish it looked like that, but yeah, it's really actually getting pretty dark. But yeah, I'm gonna stay out here until I can't see anything anymore. If there's gonna be a time for them to come out, I would assume it's now. I've just been tearing this hillside apart and I just haven't found anything yet. Well, maybe that's why. Because my hunting partner's over there making a ruckus at camp. Anyways, see what I can do in the last few remaining minutes here. So me and Taylor were just sitting here eating dinner, about to go to bed when we got calls on our walkie-talkie that Spencer and Alex have made it to the trailhead, and we weren't expecting them till like early in the morning, like maybe 4 or 5 in the morning, but they got here and it's only what, 9:30. They got up here real quick and they weren't even able to drive like on the Forest Service road, like all the way in.
Spencer has the tiniest little Mazda.
Yeah, they have a small car that they can't take over some like all-terrain environments, so they couldn't even make it all the way to the trailhead, so they had to park off the side of the road and hike in from there, and they did it quick. They're already here.
Yeah, so we're expecting them within like an hour to an hour 30. We don't really know how long it takes because we didn't take the actual trail the first time we came. We kind of did a little off-road. That was an experience all on its own. We went through probably more manzanita than anybody should ever have to experience in their life. It was
Definitely. Terrible. I think they're calling us right now again.
Really?
Brian here.
Oh, that's Brian. Brian's in the...
Loud and clear.
Well, the boys are just down the trail, and we're gonna go greet them. Oh my god.
The best sighting I've seen in years. I wish we were as happy as you boys. And tired. Yeah, let's go, baby.
Good to see you guys.
Ladies, down here. Yeah. Let's go on to go see a visit to go see Mr. Tumnus in Narnia. Oh, Jesus. First of all, you should have seen Beatty's skull, dude. He was like, Rakishi's land, dude. Never been so happy with you at camp.
Hey, welcome to
Come
camp,
lift this, Jace.
Thank you guys for the welcome. I think
How
I'm just
heavy
gonna go
is
to
this?
sleep right here, boys.
Oh man, you brought the
Dude,
whole
I know,
couch
it's
and
rough.
bed.
I need
I
some
don't
water,
know, I
dude.
need some
Hey,
water.
turn it off.
Oh my god. Yeah, boys. Boys. My pack's off.
Hey, pick this
Oh
up.
my boys. Oh my gosh. I feel like I lost 10 pounds hiking up that thing, dude.
Hey, you didn't happen to find
Because
it?
I just hiked in this, bro. I was feeling great.
Oh, just spent the morning glassing full. First couple hours. Now we're gonna go meet up with.
It's way bigger than that.
Yeah, I know.
So it's just
They're not bad, but
I'm trying to. That's weird. I thought yours would be way better.
no, mine aren't that good.
These are just some of my bad.
They might be a little foggy too. Cause they feel a little foggy. Boys, we just regrouped after all of us were split up. Only spotted one doe this morning.
And we've had a lot of eyes on this hill.
And we've had a lot of eyes.
I've been looking up there, man. I want something up there. That's where the bucks are. The top, maybe on the other side. What should we do? You don't want to hike up there, though.
Here, I got. We hike up like we did yesterday, get over the top of them, and come down on them.
We were trying to put the wind's blowing. So the wind's blowing this way, so we don't want to get on top of them.
True.
We want to let them walk into us. Yeah.
Is there music playing? I just didn't know where it was coming from.
I've been putting on just a little bit of Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young for time passing purposes.
Oh, we just we got a deer glassed up. We got it in the spotting scope, and we just watched it bed, and we can't tell if it's a buck or not. Honestly, dude, I think it is a buck.
Oh, that's a great.
Come look at this. Maybe you can verify with me, but unless we see this part of it move, that could be a big buck. No, never mind. That's just I think it's a doe. I'm looking right at its ear. No, it's a buck. 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 It's a nice buck, dude. It's a nice buck. Dude, it's a nice. So if you watch it, It's, I was trying to look from up there. It's antler. You could see it's like that black tip is the ear, and see that brown tine right above it.
Yeah, yeah.
So you could see the whole thing kind of
Yeah,
moving
yeah,
like
yeah,
a
yeah.
crown.
That's insane. I'm trying to see where it's at on here though. I'm trying to look
Yeah.
again.
Honestly,
No, I can't see it anymore. I can't even see it anymore.
dude.
Wait, where is this?
I think we need to keep. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a nice buck. After I spotted that buck, we looked at it for a long time. We just were watching him. He bedded, and he got back up and kept moving around in these trees back here. So we sat there and watched for quite a while because we were trying to come up with a game plan because this is the first ever buck we've ever spotted while archery hunting, and so it's kind of exciting for us. So we didn't know what to do. So after a while of trying to relocate him, I decided that I'd just come up here and start glassing from here, and if I can relocate him again from here, then from that point I would try to strategize some type of stock to put on him until I can get eyes on him, or any of the guys down below can get eyes on him again. We're just going to keep trying to turn him up because I don't think it's a good idea to just go in after him if I don't know where he's at. It just seems kind of dumb. I could blow him out of there real easily, so I'm just going to be patient. Just that those trees should keep embedded in there somewhere, so hopefully he'll slip up and show himself, and then we'll take it from there.
The little bugs keep going after it.
Bugs attacking the bugs. Cannibalism at its finest.
I'm catching bugs, not fish.
Ryan, you want some water?
Yeah. Right now, I'm having it.
So as you can see, no moves were made on the buck. Decided to pull out after intensive few hours of glassing.
Midnight snack, or midday snack, we're back to it.
Yeah, hitting the water hole, trying to get a little fish, get some energy in us. And we're gonna get back after it this evening.
Damn, that filled up pretty quick.
Alex!
No.
Brian!
Put in the effort.
Boys!
Dude, this is why we put in.